Whenever we write, we speak, we always have this problem. Are we getting connected properly? Am I going with the flow properly? Am I hooking my examiner or my listener? Am I winning the big cake? So, yes, the main part here required is transition words, also called as connectors or cohesive devices. What are these? These are the list of words which keep your flow of communication either in the speaking part or in the writing part to the best and completely effective. Now you have might been to many other resources and seen that there are so many words. I say that cut it short, keep it simple, learn only few, command them and use it, and there you win. In IELTS, these words are called as transition words. In general English, these are called as connectors. And when a student is writing PTE, these are called as cohesive devices. Whatever the word is, the performance, the effectiveness is always the same. These words are very important as they organize your message properly. They add clarity to your speaking and writing and communication, and they impress your audience and even your examiner. Only 3 in each list. When you want to add some information, the words are furthermore. The sentence being, online classes save time, furthermore, they are flexible. Next word, moreover. Pollution harms health. Moreover, it damages nature. In addition, she is smart. In addition, she is kind. You all might have come across with the phrases like in addition to this or in addition to that. Even that are appropriate. I say keep it simple. In addition is fine. Don't leave the word even half, saying that in addition to, and then you leave it like that. Now that is inappropriate. Now, when you move to express a contrasting opinion, then you say, however, on the other hand, or it is although or even though. No great difference between although and even though, these are interchangeable words. So, what is however? I studied hard, I did my best, but what is the result? However, I failed. So, however happens to be a synonym for but. Remove the word but and use the word however. All these transition words do require a comma after them. If you are writing with the start of a sentence, then they insist to be in a capital letter, like H should be capital followed with a comma. If you are taking in a continuation, then nothing is required. It can be I studied hard, comma, however, comma, I failed. Hope you are all following. Next, on the other hand, cars are fast. On the other hand, they cause pollution. Although and even though. Although it rained, we played. Although, never keep a comma after the word although. I have seen many students who do this. So it is not a comma after although. It is after a phrase which should be a comma. Next, now when you are giving the examples, so it is for example, such as or to illustrates. As I am insisting, 3 are more than sufficient. Say that you are writing your examinations only once. So don't gather too much information and get confused. Select one, master it properly, write your own examples, post it in the channel. We are here to guide you correcting your example sentences. Fine. Coming to the usage here. For example, many people use phones. For example, students use them for notes, such as I like fruits, such as apples and oranges. To illustrate, comma, many companies offer remote work now. When you're explaining after giving your point, you have to go with the explanations and reasons and causes. So the words are because or since. I left early because I was tired. Due to. The class was cancelled due to rain, owing to, owing to traffic, comma, he was late. There is no comma after the word due to or because, but if you are starting your sentence with due to, then after the clause it should be comma, like we can see here in the example, owing to traffic, comma, he was late. When you are showing the result, the impact of whatever you have discussed. So the three good connectors are therefore, thus, as a result. He was sick, therefore, comma, he stayed home. Thus, the data was wrong. Thus, the report is invalid. As a result, prices rose. As a result, people bought less. Finally, when you're closing your communication, either in speaking or writing part, so the common and very much appreciated word is in conclusion. In conclusion, comma, education must be free. The other two are little informal. Try to use it in your speaking rather than your writing. So it is to sum up, internet has many benefits. Overall, so it is overall, comma, the plan was successful. So these are the few and most important connecting words which will help you get a very good score, make your own sentences,